Welcome to an exclusive journey into the heart of Mr. Milk Mittal Happy Cows Dairy Farm, a remarkable establishment renowned for its commitment to providing pure, fresh, and natural milk. Today, we invite you to join us as we delve into the captivating story of this extraordinary farm. It all began with Mr. Naresh Mittal, the visionary chairman of Mittal Group, who recognized the exceptional qualities of Desi cow milk compared to European cow milk. Determined to create a dairy farm dedicated to Desi cow breeds, he transformed his dream into a reality. Nestled strategically between Mumbai and Pune near Lunabra, Mr. Milk Dairy Farm harmoniously blends tradition and modern practices. The farm's sprawling 85 acres of land serve as a testament to the commitment to quality and the well-being of their beloved Desi cows. At Mittal Happy Cows Dairy, the Desi cows are the heart and soul of the operation. They are nurtured and cherished like family members, ensuring their comfort and contentment. From carefully selected Desi breed cows to specialized nutrition plans, every detail is meticulously designed to enhance the cow's health and well-being. Step inside the farm's state-of-the-art facilities, where advanced technologies and automated processes seamlessly merge with the principles of traditional Dudhwala practices. The farm's innovative approach ensures the highest standards of hygiene, quality control, and milk purity. Within the thoughtfully planned and spacious cowshed, the Desi cows are provided ample space to roam freely and access fresh water and food round the clock. The farm's meticulous attention to detail even extends to the cow's exposure to sunlight, which stimulates the Suryakitunari vein on their hump, boosting vitamin D and immunity in their milk. Witness the seamless and hygienic milking process that ensures the milk remains untouched by human hands. From pre-milking preparation to the gentle stimulation of the cows, every step is executed with care and precision. The milk flows directly from the cows to the in-house pasteurization plant, preserving its purity and nutritional value. After pasteurization, the milk is thoughtfully packaged in eco-friendly gable-top cartons, ensuring freshness and a longer shelf life. Mr. Milk Dairy Farm takes pride in delivering this pure and natural milk directly to your doorstep, maintaining the cold chain and ensuring its utmost quality. Biosecurity is of paramount importance at Mittal Happy Cows Dairy. Rigorous measures are implemented to maintain a disease-free environment, including tire-dipping solutions for vehicles entering and exiting the farm. With a 24/7 veterinarian available, the health and well-being of the cows are safeguarded with unwavering dedication. As you savor a glass of Mr. Milk's pure and natural milk, you're not just experiencing its exceptional taste and nutritional benefits. You're also embracing the commitment, passion, and unwavering assurance of quality that define Mr. Milk Mittal Happy Cows Dairy.